YouTubies, and welcome back to your girl Bianca ChanelXO channel. What up though? Welcome to Vlogmas Day 10. Yo, we busted through this Vlogmas, okay? We doing our dang on thing. But y'all, I just got ready. I'm literally about to get ready to go per the usual. About to head on out. Me and my mom are going to the mall again. But yes, y'all, we about to get ready to go. I got a birthday party to go to later on today, so yes, we're about to go to the mall, go eat, and go to a birthday party. So I will talk to you guys in the next clip. Let's go.
Most men is all about the chase. As soon as the
Yes,
thrill is gone,
who just itching for camera time?
I'm itching for food. Mama is hungry.
I'm hungry too. Cause I ain't nothing. I just running off of coffee, decaf coffee to be exact. So, y'all, we about to go. So let's go. Yes. Look who's making an appearance. It's Light. He coming out of the shadows. the shadows. In the shadows. We're far from the shadows. Oh, he going back to the shadows. Never mind. We're in the car. Dang, mama, my hair look huge compared to yours. That's because she got her flat head.
Yeah. Now, if I had my puffy hair, it'd be a different story.
Look freaking huge.
Yes, it would. Had the chocolate corn.
Where you get it from? I get it from my mama. I get it from my mama. My big head. What? I get it from my mama.
What you trying to say?
You did have a big head, but it shrunk.
Did. Yeah.
It shrunk
I still got one. I can't fit the normal hats and stuff. And
yes, you can.
God gave me all this hair because I got a big head, I guess. Yeah. What you playing, a game?
No. Do this look
all
like
them faces on there, yeah. Yippers. Oh, look at them rusty hands. I thought I put some lotion
always
on
rusty.
them. I don't know. My hands just suck up whatever moisture. Suck it right up. That in my lips. My lotion.
See, y'all, I keep my lotion on deck. Always on the side.
Mine. I got my little.
Did you just see all the shit?
Utterly smooth.
She just had to go through to get to that. Number one.
Because it's in my makeup bag.
Oh, wait, child. I ain't got time. And I don't get tired. I know my hands are feeling a little dry too. You starting to rub up on me.
You showing me your doggone hands. They look just as smooth to me. I ain't seen no rust. I don't know what you was looking at.
They felt dry. They didn't feel moisturized. Your dryness were sucking me up. Sopping me up like a biscuit.
I don't think so. I do need some for my lips though. Let's see, why my lip gloss
Mom, you look
disappear? I look what?
Tan.
That's because I put on a darker foundation.
Why?
What I am. Because you told me to.
No, I did not.
Yes, you did.
I said, Mom, get a shade lighter because your foundation is going to oxidize.
Why do you want me to look like a ghost?
You?
Every time I get a lighter when I be looking ghostly.
Mama, you look like a whole different skin complexion. Y'all, my mama is literally my skin complexion and
she told me to get a darker foundation.
Lies.
I'm listening to
I'm the
what
makeup
she said.
expert.
That's
and
right.
I told you go a shade lighter because your foundation is going to oxidize because we have oily skin. So 9 times out of 10, our foundation is going to oxidize. And once it oxidizes, it gets darker. I did not tell you to get darker foundation.
See my face?
You look like a whole
see my face.
Different. Look at her hand compared to her.
That's your hands. Oh no. You're not gonna embarrass me. This is my hand.
Do you all see her hand compared to her face, bro? I'm not about to play with my mama, y'all. She don't be listening. And then she be wanting to blame stuff on me when it don't go right. You don't pay attention. You just want to do what you want to do out here in these streets. That's what the real issue is. Come on, mama. You on the wrong verse. You singing your own song.
That's all I know from I like the emotion. Don't like the song.
But she been singing this song for the last couple of days, though.
I don't know why. You know how something pops up in your head.
Y'all, I love my classical music, okay?
Okay.
Listen to that. Beauty.
Torture.
Beauty. Open your horizons. I be...
They got 8% off at the app.
What up, y'all? Just came back home to change. I'm about to head out to my aunt's surprise b-day party today. Y'all, I'm a terrible vlogger because we went to the mall. I didn't want to vlog in the mall because I knew it was kind of be repetitive of yesterday. And we went to Mongolian barbecue to eat. And I got some fried Oreos that I'm about to try for the first time. They smell amazing. I have never had fried Oreos, but it comes with ice cream, like chocolate sauce, but I can have ice cream, so this is what it looks like. Fried Oreos. First taste test. So I'm gonna try it without the chocolate sauce first. Let's try with the chocolate sauce. That thing real good. Mama, I like them a lot. Yeah, but we gotta get out of here, so I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all, she about to tear it up, child. Woo! Uh-oh. What's she singing? Please find Maria. Please. Find her. I'm so tired of hearing him say Maria. I don't know what to do. Look how many words he got to say.
And everybody knows the pill.
Coochie coochie child. You got a black cat
I
bone.
got a black cat bone. I got a mojo too. I got to show the company.
Hey.
I'm gonna mess with you. I make you pretty girl. Lead me by my hand.
Okay.
The whole world.
Y'all, she back at it again, Danielle. Back at it again. Go ahead, mama. Sing your little heart out.
Just let me introduce myself. My name is
Comfy.
I'm funky. I like my own